Do you want 7 easy tricks to make a girl crazy for you? In this video I'm going to show you 7 easy tricks to make a girl crazy for you. You can catch a girl's eye or make her laugh, but how do you make her go crazy for you? Making a girl fall in love can be difficult, because you want to excite her, and make her think you're unique without coming off as arrogant. It only takes a little preparation, competence, and consciousness, if you want to make a girl go crazy for you, and that's what you're going to learn in this video. In this video I'll show you how and what to talk to a woman to make her interested in you. Things women wish in men to have. And the things you should never do while making her crazy for you. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'll give you 3 body language secrets to make beautiful women fall in love with you. So with that, let's get started with 7 easy tricks to make a girl go crazy for you. Number 1 tricks to make a girl crazy for you is: let her see you having a good time. There's nothing a girl wants more than a guy who is obviously enjoying himself and completely happy on his own. When you're with your friends, enjoy laughing and sharing stories. When you're walking to class, think happy thoughts that put a smile on your face. When you see her, show her that you're in a good mood and that you're not a total downer. You don't have to fake it, obviously, but you should let her see that you're a person who is enjoying himself, so she wants to be in your orbit. If she sees you already having a great time, then she'll want to be a part of what you have to offer. If she thinks you need a girl to have a good time, then she'll think that you're not quite happy with yourself. So, if you really want someone to chase you, first you need to show her that you are a happy man, make her feel if she is with you, then she will enjoy the most. In number 2. Amaze her with your confidence. Girls love confident guys, and they naturally gravitate towards them. If you want the girl to really go crazy for you, then you have to let her see how much you love being who you are. Be happy to just be in the moment, enjoy the time you spend with your friends, and just let her see that you're happy and secure with the person who you are, and that you don't care about what other people think. Many guys are obviously insecure, and girls don't like that. They don't want to spend their time building you up. If you're happy with who you are, then the girl will be much more likely to want to be around you. This doesn't mean that you have to love every last thing about yourself. It does mean that you should be aware of your flaws, trying to change the ones you can change, and accepting the ones you can't. You don't have to act overly macho, or brag about how awesome you are, to come off as truly confident. In fact, this will be a turn-off for girls. Just be realistic, and build the ability to stand between what is right and wrong. In number 3. Be a little bit mysterious. Let me tell you a little secret. Most of the girls fall for a guy who seems more challenging to her. Don't open up to her about every little thing you're thinking right away. As you get to know the girl, sure, you can reveal a little bit about yourself, but at first, you don't have to tell her about how much you love your dog, or about your fight with your best friend. Let her see that it's worth it to get to know you, because it'll make you open up little by little. If she thinks it's too easy to get to know you, then she won't see you as a challenge. While you don't have to lie to her or make up excuses to be mysterious, you should avoid telling her everything all at once. If you have to go, don't tell her that you have to go meet your friend. Leave her to wonder about your plans. This is something that puts women off and think about yourself. In number 4. Flirt with her. A little bit of flirting can go a long way. If you want to get the girl, then you have to know how to flirt with them without going over the top. Just be fun and light and playful, making harmless jokes and teasing him a little bit, and keep the conversation and banter going in a fun, light-hearted way. Don't make overly sexual comments or insult the girl when you're really just trying to tease her. Instead, give her cute compliments, and even laugh at yourself a little bit to make her see that you like her, and don't take the whole flirting thing too seriously. Of course, if you want one special girl, you should give her most of your flirting energy, while occasionally flirting with others to keep it interesting. You don't want her to think that you're just a big flirt, who flirts with everybody and doesn't really care about her. And if you want a separate video on how to flirt with girls, then give this video 100 likes and I promised you to make video on that topic. Now let's jump into our number 5 trick to make a girl crazy for you, which is make her special. If you want a girl to go crazy for you, Then you have to make her feel special, by actually taking the time to recognize her as a unique individual. Tell her, "You're not like other girls," or, "You're so different from your friends," and make her see that she really does stand out to you. You can give her a specific compliment about her personality, or mention something she said in a previous conversation, to show that you're listening and that you do care. Don't do this to every girl, though, or it will get back to her, and it'll look like you're just a player. Girls want to feel unique, and if they can find a guy who makes them feel that way, they'll be all in. Take the time to really notice the things that make the girl stand out, whether it's her confidence, her laugh, or her talent at dancing. Let her know why she's special. In number 6. Remember to play hard to get. Though you want to win the girl over, you have to keep up the chase. You don't want her to think that she has you in the palm of her hand, but that she has to do some work to win you over, too. It should be a mutual thing. Let her know you like her, but don't shower her with compliments. Hang out with her, but make sure you have plans with other friends, too, and that you aren't available the second she wants to hang out. If she calls you, stop picking up the second the phone rings. You've got other things to do, right? This will keep the girl interested in coming back for more. This doesn't mean that you have to play elaborate games to win the girl over. It does mean that you should keep things interesting, so there's never a dull moment when she sees you. If you put it all out there, she'll be less likely to be crazy about the intriguing, awesome guy that you are. And the last trick, which is my personal favorite to make a girl crazy for you, is make her friends think you're awesome. If you want the girl to go crazy over you, then it helps a lot if her friends think you're the best thing since sliced bread. If you're only nice to the girl you like, and are kind of mean to the rest of her friends, then she'll get word of it, and will think that you don't really care about people. But if you charm her friends, without flirting with them, or giving them the wrong idea, then she'll get word of how nice of a guy you are, and will undoubtedly like you even more. When girls hear other girls talking about how awesome a guy is, then they get jealous, which makes them like that guy even more. So, make sure you impress her friends too. There you have the 7 easy tricks to make a girl go crazy for you. Now, as you might realize, these tricks can be little hard for someone to apply to make a girl crazy for you. So that's why I have put together 3 body language secrets to make beautiful women fall in love with you fast. Link is in the description of this video. Feel free to check that out, and if you want more videos on relationship guide, dating guide, and making crush fall in love, then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.